Reader's Theater Sound Check by Joey Mallory. Settings: Elisa's Middle School, Portland, Oregon. Elisa: hurry up, Manny. We still have tons to do. Manny: Elisa, relax. You have this annoying tendency to get worked up before a show. I don't need the tension. Elisa: aren't you concerned about my welfare? We are singing in front of my school and my friends. Manny: you should give your family a little more credit. We are professionals. Dad knows every aspect of the music business. Elisa: I know, but what if I hit a wrong note? Anna: la 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 la. What? I'm just doing my scales. Manny: I think we should all focus predominantly on setting up the sound system. Read me the directions, Elisa. Elisa: okay, I'm sure I did the first one. Number 1, plug in the amplifier. Number 2, put the instruments and the microphones where they belong on the stage. Anna: I'm on it. Elisa: shh. Where was I? Number 3, connect the correct cords to the guitar, keyboard, and microphones. Number 4, plug all cords into the amplifier. Number 5, connect the speaker cords to the amplifier and then to the speakers. Manny: nothing is happening. I think we may genuinely have a problem. Mom: is everything ready for the performance? Elise: Mom, Dad, thank goodness you are here. We don't have any sound. Dad: really? I can hear you just fine. Elisa: Dad, this is my worst nightmare and you are making jokes? Mom: did you check that the correct cords are connected? Manny: yes. See where they are running parallel to the stage. Mom: the speakers are plugged into the amplifier. Anna: hey, did we try this plug? Manny: wow, plugging in the amp, what an innovation. Elisa: I guess I forgot to do step 1. Dad: that's okay, luckily Anna was here. Anna: I guess I supply the power in this family. Mom: aptly put. Anna: Dad, great idea for a new song. Here's to Anna, the hero of the hour. Just plug her in and she'll supply the power.